Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Prime Video parental controls, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Prime Video parental controls, begin by signing in to your Amazon account. Open the Prime Video app on your device, or navigate to the Prime Video website. Once logged in, locate and click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Parental Controls tab. You may need to enter your Amazon account password for security verification. After verifying, you will see options for setting up parental controls. To enable parental controls, toggle the setting to on. Next, you can set up a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will be required to access content that is rated above your selected maturity level. You can then select the appropriate maturity level for viewing content. Options typically include all ages, 7+, 13+, and 18+. Choose the level that best suits your family's viewing preferences. Once you have made your selections, save your changes. You can also manage individual profiles for different family members. This allows for tailored content restrictions for each profile. To do this, return to the Account and Settings menu. Select Profiles and then choose the profile you wish to modify. Adjust the parental control settings specific to that profile. After making your adjustments, ensure you save all changes. Once the setup is complete, parental controls will automatically apply to the selected profiles. You can return to the parental controls at any time to make further adjustments as needed. This ensures that you maintain a safe viewing environment for your family. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your children are watching age-appropriate content. That's how to activate Amazon Prime Video parental controls effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.